Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you looking to dress up any outfit with simple elegance? These drop dangle diamond earrings from Natalia Drake are the perfect complement to anything that you want to wear. I found that I could wear them with my hair down or up, and either way, these earrings still just shine through with their beauty. Each bar has 14 small diamonds. I love how petite they are, but how they still shine and sparkle in the light. They're seated in rhodium plated 925 sterling silver, and on the back of the earring you can see there's a little hole so that the light can really come through and give you that beautiful sparkle. The lever back makes it so secure. I always worry that earrings are going to drop out of my ears, especially something as beautiful as these are, and that I'll lose them. But having the lever back really gives me confidence to know that I can wear them, I can bounce around, I can shake my head as much as I want, and they're going to stay exactly where they are. They're very well made, and I can see that the stones are seated really well. I'm pretty hard on my jewelry, and there's been no shifting of stones or loosening of anything, so that makes me really happy. They come in a really beautiful blue box. This would make a perfect gift for someone, or just be like me and keep them for yourself because I love wearing them all the time. You can dress them up with a really beautiful dress or top, or dress them down with a pair of jeans, and they look stunning with so many different clothing options. I feel like $1,000,000 when I'm wearing these earrings. You won't be disappointed in them, and that's my point of view.